there's actually not a worry in my whole entire body that is concerned about any of my team leaving somewhere to go somewhere else for more money. Like, I was thinking the other day, like, I'm having my staff on these Freedom series as part of the launch of my book. And I was like, oh shit, like all my competitors, people in the marketplace, are going to see my staff. Are they going to try and poach my staff? And the answer is yes. Like, we often have people try to poach our salespeople on sales calls, like, hey, leave the game changers, come work for me. Heather's been tried to be poached a number of times, Maybelline as well. And the funny thing is I was thinking about today, there's actually not a worry in my whole entire body that is concerned about any of my team leaving somewhere to go somewhere else for more money. Because what they have from a culture and a values perspective and financially looked after well, far outweighs what someone else can walk in the door and give. And that's an issue we don't have and we won't ever have. But a lot of companies do have that because they haven't got the vision, the mission alive and ingrained in the business.
The question is really to delve into all the issues, all the problems, to try to help, better their experiences, to help understand what they want in life, because sometimes, staff don't vocalize it. I had someone leave about a year ago, and she was brilliant. And I'm going, why? And she goes, I just want to do this. And I said, well, why didn't you talk to me when we had those opportunities? Why didn't you vocalize that? Because I could have potentially changed the business around to suit that need.
Yeah.
It would still be an integral part of our business.
But that's our job though. That's why we need to have a business that runs without us. Yeah. Not because we want to spend all day at the beach, but until we get to that stage, we actually haven't got the energy, the brain power, the awareness of these nuances in our business that could either create exponential growth or collapse areas of business because we're too busy in it.
Yeah.